Welcome, it's Walter here from FX Jake. I want to just follow up on the last video from the forum. It was here on the Aussie Norwegian kroner that I was looking at a buy off of this bounce. Basically, I had noted that we had some touches here, some touches here, and then it broke through, went really high, came back down and touched it right there. The buy stop was above this bullish candle right here. Well, we've given it 2 days and it hasn't really traded higher, so that tells me it's more likely this pair is going to mess around this area. It may still bounce off this level and trade higher and go all the way up to the first profit target I had here, which is right around this area at 61 or 6.1240 or 6.1230, right around there. But it hasn't done it yet. So what I'm going to do now is just remove my buy order from this price right here and instead wait for it to mess around and possibly give another bullish candle down here. That would be a nice trigger. Again, my first target is going to be right around here, 6.1230, and the second target would be just shy of these highs at 6.2520, around there. So at the moment, this trade is off the books, and instead I'll wait around for the next trade. Now there is really interesting kangaroo tail here on the Singapore dollar, US dollar, Singapore dollar. Notice how price bounced here, and then now we have a kangaroo tail, a really nice looking kangaroo tail right there. So what I'm going to do, it's early in the Asian session, this daily candle has just started printing. I'm going to, in about 6 hours, so the end of the Asian session, right now it's, what is the time? Right now in New York it's 7:43. Is that right? No. Right now in New York it's it's 3:44 in New York. Is that right? No. 5:44. Okay, got it. It's 5:44 in New York right now. The market's just closed and we have a new candle at 5 p.m. in New York. So it's 5:44 in New York. I'm going to wait about 6 hours into the Asian session so that if the market does trade higher than this candle, it already has really, technically it already has gone to 25.15 and the high of that candle is 25.13. So it's already traded 2 pips higher, but I don't want the Asian session to trigger my trade. So I'm going to wait 6 hours from now. So at 11 p.m. in New York, or 12 a.m. midnight in New York, that's when I'm going to place my trade, my order, and I'm going to put it above this candle high. That's going to be at 25.18 or 25.19, 1.2519. Stop loss goes down below the low at 1.2422. My first target is going to be these highs right here, which is also kind of where these candles had some difficulty. So right about here. First target's at 25.83. That's going to be about 68 pips. Second target's going to be 96 pips higher. So it's all up about 150, 160 pips for the second target, and that's at 1.2680 right there. So that's that trade. I'll keep an eye on this one and watch it as it unfolds, and I wish you very happy trading.